If your lettuce keeps bolting and turning bitter before you get a real harvest, you're not alone. You may be planting it exactly when everyone says to plant it and still watching it shoot up flower stalks just when you were expecting fresh salads. You know, it can make you feel like you're doing something wrong. Lettuce should be easy, and yet for many gardeners it feels unpredictable. So most of us were taught that lettuce is simple, just plant it in the spring and harvest. But many gardeners discover that spring can turn into heat very quickly. And we plant too much at once, and we plant it all at the wrong time. So we expect one sowing to carry us for the whole season. So we've all experienced that disappointment of beautiful young plants that suddenly bolt. But here's what most people don't realize. Lettuce problems are never variety problems first. They are timing problems. So lettuce is not difficult, it is specific. It wants to grow during cool, steady weather. And if we miss the window even by a short time, the plants respond exactly as nature designed it to. It reproduces instead of producing leaves. So when we understand this, everything changes. So over the last 41 years of growing lettuce here on the farm, I've learned that two things make all the difference: the right variety and the right timing. So I prefer leaf lettuce because I can harvest the outer leaves and allow the center to continue to grow. That single shift extends the harvesting dramatically. So I like to grow varieties like Grand Rapids, Firecracker, Escarde, and Freckles through the heat and the cold with protection. And I've harvested winter density after nights down to 12 degrees using frost blankets, and then I was able to pick again the next day. So what changed my results was not more fertilizer, it was working with the season instead of against it. So what we want to do is really simple. Instead of planting one large crop, we plant small batches every 3 weeks during our cool growing window. So if we're gardening in zones 9 and 10, our main lettuce season runs from late September through July. So we begin once the intense summer heat breaks. We plant about 30 seeds at a time and then sow again every 3 weeks. As late spring temperatures rise, we move lettuce into afternoon shade or use a 40% shade cloth. And you want to mulch the soil to keep the roots cooler, and this also slows down the bolting. All right, if you're in zones 7 and 8, we begin in February as soon as the soil can be worked. We continue planting every 3 weeks through the spring, and by June the heat may slow the production, so we use shade for later plantings. We then resume again in September for a strong fall season. With frost blankets or low tunnels, harvest can often be extended into December. If we are in zones 5 and 6, this is where I garden, we begin in late March once the soil is workable, and we protect the young plants from a hard frost with frost blankets. We continue planting every 3 weeks through the spring, and summer crops, they receive afternoon shade. Fall crops are frost protected, allowing harvest into December most years. All right, if you are in zones 3 and 4, we begin in late April or early May, and protection is essential, especially early and late in the season. So small plantings every 3 weeks keep production steady through the summer. So lettuce can be started indoor for early crops or direct sown once the soil is workable. Germination is strongest in the cool soil. So growing lettuce does not need to be complicated. You do not need a large garden. You do not need elaborate systems. Even planting 20 to 30 seeds every 3 weeks can supply a steady salad for months. So small, consistent plantings are easier than large, single plantings. Nature does most of the work when we align with her timing. So when you follow this rhythm, lettuce stops being frustrating. And instead of one short harvest, you begin cutting fresh leaves week after week after week. Your salads become dependable. Your garden feels steady instead of rushed. Timing brings calm to the garden. And once you understand timing with lettuce, you'll begin to see how it applies to every other vegetable that you grow. So you can start this today. Look at your growing zone, identify your cool window, and plant a small batch. Mark your calendar for 3 weeks from now and start another batch. If you'd like help applying this timing framework to the rest of your garden, I created a free guide for you called when and how to start the top 15 vegetables for a productive garden, know exactly what to plant, when to plant it, and how to grow strong seedlings. So in this, I walk you through the same timing principles for the most important vegetables so you can plant with confidence instead of guessing. You can find the guide in the description below. And when we understand timing, gardening becomes simpler, more productive, and far more enjoyable, and your lettuce will finally grow the way that it was meant to.